Today we will study about gerund, infinitive and their types with example, which help to speak English very fastly and easily. The gerund, a form of verb which ends in ing and acts as a noun is called a gerund. Example: writing is a great fun. Swimming is very tough. I hate smoking. The infinitive. An infinitive is a simple present verb form preceded by to that acts as noun, adjective or adverb. Example: I like to run early in the morning. To fly an aeroplane is dream of mine. Do not forget to bring my book. Types of infinitive. There are two main forms of infinitive: full infinitive, bare infinitive. The full infinitive has the word to at the beginning. Example: he likes to walk barefooted. She hates to tell a lie. She hopes to travel soon. The bare infinitive does not have the word to. Bare infinitive is commonly used model auxiliary verbs: will, shall, would, should, can, could, may, might, must, and after certain verbs like let, make, see, bid, etc. Example: we can't manage it. They made me wait. Let him go. Thank you for watching.